good Tuesday morning, a quiet start to the day. We're now seeing just cool conditions and plenty of sunshine. Finally, quieter conditions, even back off to our east where they were dealing with stormy weather yesterday morning. Folks in Georgia and the Carolinas, now that strong front as well east of the eastern seaboard, and we'll continue to see quiet weather for much of the week. Live IMAX 12, nothing going on out there except for clear skies, and you can see it once I change our background here. A little technical difficulties there. All right, here's a look over downtown Jackson from our camera in southwest Jackson on TV Road, and again, just quiet, calm winds, clear skies, a good bit of sunshine already. Temperatures in the upper 40s, dew points in the mid 40s as well. Those winds will start to pick up though throughout the day, and you can expect gusts potentially up to 20 miles per hour later this afternoon and evening. Overall though, a really quiet and comfortable Tuesday for us, topping out near 69 degrees in Jackson, right around 72 in Port Gibson and Vicksburg, 71 rather in Forest. So more mild today, a little bit warmer for us, but still a couple degrees below our average for this time of the year. Really won't complain though with the sunshine around. It will be plentiful today and through much of the week. Tonight expect clear skies and another cool start to your Wednesday. We drop into the upper 30s, low 40s, especially north of I-20. I think some 30s will be on the board for us. 42 here in Jackson. Again, quiet skies. The only thing we're really forecasting to change is the temperatures, and another chilly start to Wednesday, but then more mild and seasonal low temperatures Thursday and Friday. So we're in the low to mid 50s. We are expecting a couple of dry cold fronts to come through the area, and that will just reinforce some cooler air, but then we'll slowly warm things back up, especially over the weekend and starting off next week. So here's the big picture. A rather dry cold front will move through, just reinforcing that chillier air we're feeling this morning and even into the afternoon. But heading into Thursday morning, expecting that high pressure to sink a little further south. This will turn our winds in from the south around that area of high pressure and helping us warm up. But behind that frontal system, we'll start to see temperatures again slightly below average, but really pleasant for us. Not dealing with any frigid temperatures, and certainly no freeze expected across central and south Mississippi. So timing out your next weather maker, again, just quiet skies for us. At best, a few clouds in the forecast for your Wednesday and Thursday, but overall pretty quiet. Winds will start to shift in from the south as we head into late Wednesday and early Thursday as that high pressure begins to shift, but overall keeping us quiet and with a lot of sunshine. Tomorrow afternoon we're in the mid 70s, overnight again a chilly start, but Thursday afternoon I think many of us will begin to make it to the 80s by the afternoon hours. And if any rain does occur, it likely will be north of our region from that frontal system that will bring us some more below average temperatures by Friday and Saturday afternoon. So looking ahead to the weekend, of course it's only Tuesday, but here's some positive news for us. We have seen very stormy and soggy weekends the last few weeks, really the entire month. And we're finally not expecting a round of strong to severe storms over the weekend. So expect sunshine Saturday and Sunday. A little bit cooler though for the first half of the weekend. We drop into the 40s again. Sunday, as you're heading out though, it will be nice, spring-like, even warmer than average. Highs in the 80s. Mostly sunny skies. So not having to worry about rain for quite a while for us, and that's some good news because our flood stages are increasing, especially along the Mississippi River in Vicksburg. Now we're at moderate flooding, and so we'll be watching that. In Bovina, we're in minor flood stage, but all the heavy rain from our north in the Ohio River Valley, that's going to be moving to the south. So something we're having to watch over the coming days. Looking at your 8-day forecast, though, we get a break from the rain and storms for much of the week. Lots of sunshine around. Highs do climb to the 70s by tomorrow afternoon and eventually near 80 degrees Thursday afternoon, dropping back into the mid 50s By Friday and Saturday, temperatures stay below average in the low 70s. Palm Sunday looking beautiful and a little bit warmer. 80 degrees for your high, 85 by the start of next work week.